just about to go and ride Phantom Manor. This was all getting refurbed last time we were here, so we're going to go and ride it now, see what it's like. Just check this out here as well. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh aye, Natalie's got a Phantom Manor ears on. Brilliant. I love the theming of this queue. Makes you feel as if you're actually in a graveyard. Cool as that. How cool is this wee bit here, just having a wee tea party in the middle of the graveyard?
Ravi de vous accueillir, humble mortel, dans ce mystérieux manoir. You may not believe it, but beauty once lived in this house. Phantom Manor a connu des jours heureux, mais les temps ont changé. Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes n'ont pas de fin heureuse. It appears everyone is doomed to Phantom Manor. Even you? Notice this. This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Dieu se fera un plaisir de vous aider. Much to see, so look alive and stay together. I'd hate to lose you so soon.
How cool are these pictures?
N'ayez pas peur. Allez-y, avancez.
as well.
And witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball. Des 12 coups de minuit aux matines sonnantes, nous valserons ensemble, macabre débutante. Join now the spirits in nuptial doom. A ravishing bride. A vanishing gleam. fiends of fright, we summon you now to dance through the night. Esprits et fantômes sur vos fiers destriers, escortés dans la belle.
There's a guy in a reflection. This guy's brilliant. Oh, a scary guy. Uh-oh, we're getting buried. Oh, you go try to get in. So once you come off the hill, you want to go left here to the boot hill. And we're just going to, we actually had a wee look at this earlier on, we didn't realise what it was, but we're going to show you now. Wee graveyard for all the people that were inside that ride there. Let's see who we've got. Oh, there's one here. It's a wee fiddle player. Jack Skillman. The wee guy up there, Gus, but you can't really see his, it's quite hard to see. And there's wee Shorty Smith. These two, wee couple. This is cool. I mean, this is brilliant. Like the idea of having like a wee graveyard just round the back of the ride. This one here is my favourite. Leadfoot Fred. Cool's that.
My favourites are the animals.
Are these ones round here? So we look. Oh, how cool are they? Oh, the geyser's just going off in the background. How cool is this wee bit here? The miners and the dynamite. And then these miners were told about digging too fast. They lost all their gold in a dynamite blast. English. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, look at me first, please, and big smile. Perfect, one more. And the last one for me. Thank you very much. And we'll work together.
No, it's okay. Ah, yes.